Hi guys, in today's video, I'm gonna talk about traveling with hair system. I've been wearing hair system for about 8 years now, and I travel quite a lot, so I do have some experience and tips to share with you guys, especially for those of you who might have concerns about traveling with a hair system. Now it's perfect timing because I'm flying to Brazil for my holiday, and I'm gonna show you what do I pack in my luggage and how do I wear my hair system under different circumstances. So let's get into it. The system that I'll be wearing is a product called Quantum from Lordhair.com. The majority of the base is French lace with some thin skin on the sides and at the back. So it's very light and very breathable because you know it's hot summer right now in Brazil. I like traveling light, so I'm only bringing the minimal stuff that I need every time when I'm on the way. So first of all, I'm having a small comb with me to style the hair or to fix the hair when it's tangled up. Then obviously I have the tapes as well. When traveling, I like these already cut mini strips because I'm lazy and I don't want to bring a scissor to cut those long ones. The third accessory is the Walker Tape Ultra Hold Glue. This one is essential for activities like sports, swimming, etc. I'll show you all the details in a minute. And the last one is totally optional. You can bring any hair wax or spray of your preference. So yeah, that's everything I need for a 10-day vacation. Very light and easy, right? Scenario 1 is general normal condition. By that, I mean any situations that do not involve excessive sweating or contact with water. For example, if I'm just going out for sightseeing, for dinner or party, shopping, concert, whatever, then I'll be only using the tapes for the system. Now I'm gonna show you how I put on these tapes. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is that I do take off the system every night before bed and reinstall the next morning, which literally takes me less than a minute. And I change these tapes normally every 3 to 4 days. As you can see, I just put these double-sided mini strips around the edge of the system, and this is completely sufficient for daily wear that I just mentioned. Scenario 2. No, this is not me surfing in the video, but if you want to go surfing, you gotta add a little bit more security on your head. The second method that I personally do is when I go to gym, go hiking, go swimming, or under windy condition. Yes, I'm filming it in a swimming pool because I didn't want salty seawater in my hair, but it's definitely no problem to swim in the sea. Anyway, if a system is secure enough or not has little to do with the system itself. It mostly depends on the tape or glue you apply. So let me show you my way. To give it extra security, I'm using the Walker Tape Ultra Hold. This product gives the most security among all the other glue I've tried, which also means it requires more work for cleaning. So make sure do not apply it on your own hair. As you can see, I'm only putting a tiny bit of the glue onto the tapes. Then it will do the work. But sometimes, especially if you're a beginner, you might be worried, is it really enough? Then you can definitely apply more glue, and over time, you'll be more experienced about the correct amount and feel more comfortable about it.